Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. See here we are going to start the new lesson of class 4, and that is addition and subtraction. But in today's class we are going to discuss about only addition, and in the next class we are going to discuss about its properties. So here then what is this addition? Addition means it is combining two or more numbers together. Combining two or more numbers together. For example, here these two balls are there. Again I will take three balls. How much I got here? How many numbers I got? I got here, yes, 5 balls. I combined these two numbers and I added. Okay, combining two or more numbers together is called addition. So for example, here I took 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So these are called addend. This is first addend and this is second addend, and whatever I got answer no, for that we are calling sum. The numbers we are adding no, they are addends, and after adding we are getting the result, for that we are calling sum. I hope you understood this definition of addition and these two terms. Then what is this addition? Combining two or more numbers together. Not only these two numbers, I can take so many numbers, combining that numbers called, we are calling it as a addition, and after adding whatever we are adding that numbers we are calling addend, and after adding the result is there no, for that we are calling sum. Is it clear? Next, here I will take some examples from your My Practice Time 1, that is adding 3 or more numbers. See here, My Practice Time 1 is there. Already you added 2 digit, 3 digit, 1 digit numbers, but here we are going to add here 5 and 6 digit number. So My Practice Time 1, page number 98. Okay, here 4 examples are there and here 6 examples are there. Among them I will solve here three examples. So let us take one example from your My Practice Time 1. I hope this clear to you. What is this meaning of addition and the terms we are using while adding the numbers. So let us take one example. I will take first example. Already they given in what place value chart, but sometimes they given horizontally, how to arrange them vertically. Okay, while solving the examples I will explain. So first example is there, that is 23,651 plus 12,639. Yes, just add these numbers right here, place values, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, and while solving the examples no, you leave little bit place in between the numbers to get the correct answers. Okay, then start with ones place. While adding the numbers no, you have to start with ones place. So take here ones is there, 1 plus 9 is 10. 1 plus 9 is 10. Here next you add this tens column, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this is 9. 6 plus 6 is 12. 2, if you are getting carry, keep in thousand place. 1 and here you write 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 2 plus 1 is 3. So the answer will be 36,290. Already they arranged in place value chart, just you have to find the what answer. So this will be the first. Next I will solve here D1. D, and the question is 2,98,126 plus 5,76,374. Yes, these examples I am solving from your My Practice Time 1. Before this I have solved A1, now I am solving D1. So write here place values, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. You start with ones place. 6 plus 4 is 10. Okay, here you write 1 and here you write 0. 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. Some of the students are forgetting to add this carry. Don't do that mistake. While adding, you have to add this carry also. Yes, 6 plus 4 is 10, 2 plus 7 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10, 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. Next, 8 plus 6 is 14. Next, 9 plus 7 is 16, 16 plus 1 is 17. Next, 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 plus 1 is, yes, 8. So, 8,74,500 will be the answer. Here, 4 questions are there. I have solved 2 examples. Yes, see here, here I have solved from your my practice time 1. First meant 2 examples, remaining do you as a homework. And one thing I will clear you, how you added the 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit numbers. No, here also you have to follow the same procedure, but here digits are more. Next, here I will take some more examples from your my practice time 1, and that is second main, solve the following. Solve the following. Solve the following. And the first question is, I will take here 3,651 plus 48,300 plus 9,36,815. See, while adding this number, no, you have to count the digits. Count here how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5 digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits are there. So here arrangement of numbers is important. See here only 4, here 5, and there 6 digits are there. So here highest place values contain this digit, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So write here ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000 and lakh. Okay, so first you have to write this number. See here, addition means not only adding 2 numbers, you can add 3 or 4 or 5 digits also. So here 3 numbers are there, 1, 2, 3. So arrange these numbers in place value chart. They given vertically, you have to arrange, they have given horizontally, and you have to arrange them vertically. So write here 1, 5, 6, 3. Is it clear? See here only here 1,000 place is there. Stop it, and remaining digits you take it as a 0. If you are not giving, that is also correct. Next, take this digit, this number, write here 0, 0, 3, 8, 4. Is it clear? See here 1,000 place is there. 10,000 place is there. Here only 1,000 place is there. Next, arrange this number 5, 1, 8, 6, 3, 9. See here. So this type you have to add the number, arrange the numbers. So here 1 plus 5 is 1 plus 0 is 1, and 1 plus 5 is 6. 5 plus 0 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. Next, add this 100 place. 6 plus 3 is 9. Yes, 9 plus 8 is 17. 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 8 is 17. Next, 3 plus 8 is 11, 11 plus 6 is 17, 17 plus 1 is 18. Next, 0 plus 4 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 1 is, yes, how much it is? 8. 0 plus 9 is 9. If there is a no digit, then you have to put here 0. So this type you have to add the number. First you add ones place, next tens column, hundreds column, thousands column, 10,000 column, lakh column. Okay, here before solving the example, no, you count the digits also. Next, here one more example is there. I will take from your textbook, and that is D1. I have solved here A1. Now I will take here D1. See here, I will take 2,49,056 plus 2,94,112 plus 451 plus 83. See here, 4 digits are there. How many numbers are there? 4 numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here only 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also 6. But here 3 and here 2 are there. So write here up to lakh place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. Arrange this number 6, 5, 0, 9, 4, 2. Next, add this 2, 1, 1, 4, 9, 2. Next, here 1, 5, 4. Up to 100 place is there, and here 3 and 8. Most of the students are writing here, means in lakh place. That is completely wrong. This number has only up to 100 place, and this number has only up to tens place values. So here add these numbers, and remaining digits you take it as a 0. Add this. 6 plus 2 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Next, 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, 11 plus 8 is 19, 19 plus 1 is 20. Next, add this. 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 9 plus 4 is 13, 4 plus 9 is 13, 13 plus 1 is 14, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. First you add ones column, tens column, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Here I would clear you one thing. While arranging the numbers, you have to count the digits and keep the 100 place in 100 place, 1000 place in 1000 place. So this arrangement of numbers is important. See here, from your my practice time 1, first main I have solved, second main also 6 examples are there. Among them I have solved 2 examples. 4 examples you do as a homework and send to my personal number. I hope this class is clear to you. Thank you.